Most beginners do this. They take their first $1,000 and dump it into a random stock they saw on a trending TikTok or a Reddit thread. That's not investing. That's gambling. The truth is, there is a specific mathematical split between ETFs and index funds that accelerates growth without risking your entire seed fund on one bad bet. I've spent years analyzing portfolio strategies and tracking the growth of beginner accounts. I know exactly which allocations lead to burnout and which ones create a true snowball effect. Today, I'm handing you the exact blueprint. We aren't just talking general advice. I'm showing you the precise percentage split across index funds, ETFs, and selective individual stocks designed for maximum growth. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step map of where every single dollar goes to turn that $1,000 into a genuine wealth-generating engine. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, let's dive in. You finally have $1,000. It's a start. But now comes the scary part. Where does it actually go? Most beginners do one of two things. Option 1, they let it sit in a standard savings account. That feels safe. But with inflation, your $1,000 is actually losing purchasing power every single day. You aren't saving, you're slowly losing. Then there's option 2, the gambler's approach. You hear a tip on TikTok or a random thread on Reddit. You dump the whole grand into one, moonshot, stock because you're afraid of missing out. And if it crashes, your hard-earned savings vanish overnight. That's the beginner's trap. The gap between saving and investing is where most people get stuck. You see the millionaires and the passive income gurus, and it feels like they have a secret code you weren't given. You're worried that $1,000 isn't enough to actually move the needle. But the truth is, it's not about how much you have. It's about asterisk where you put it. If you just guess, you're gambling. If you have a blueprint, you're building wealth. So you've got $1,000. Most people will tell you to just buy the dip on a random meme stock they saw on TikTok. That's not investing. That's gambling. To actually turn $1,000 into a wealth-building machine, you need a system. I call this the secret portfolio split. It balances safety, growth, and speculation, so you don't wake up one morning with your account down 50%. Here is exactly where every dollar goes. First, we take $700 and put it into the bedrock. This is a total market index fund, or an S&P 500 ETF. Think of this as your safety net. When you buy an S&P 500 fund, you aren't betting on one CEO or one product. You're betting on the 500 largest companies in the US. If one company fails, you barely feel it. If the US economy grows, you win. It's boring. And in the world of investing, boring is where the real wealth is built. Now, we take $200 and move it into the growth engine. This is where we use sector ETFs. While the S&P 500 is broad, sector ETFs let you tilt your portfolio toward the future. Maybe it's the NASDAQ 100 via QQQ for heavy tech exposure, or a dividend ETF like SCHD if you want to start seeing passive income hits in your account every quarter. You're still diversified, but you're amplifying your potential returns. Finally, we have the speculative play. We take the last $100 and put it into individual stocks. This is your learning capital. This is where you pick the companies you actually use and believe in. Here is the golden rule. Only put money here that you are psychologically okay with losing. If this $100 goes to zero, your portfolio survives because the bedrock and growth engine have your back. But if you pick the next NVIDIA, this is how you accelerate your gains. Now the most important part, execution. Don't let your $1,000 sit in a savings account earning 0.01%. You need a zero commission brokerage. Every dollar spent on fees is a dollar that isn't compounding for you. Set up your account, automate your deposits, and stick to the split. Now, to actually execute this split, you need a platform that doesn't eat your profits with hidden fees. I recommend using the brokerage linked in the description. It allows for fractional shares. This is a game changer for a $1,000 portfolio. It means you can own pieces of the world's biggest companies without needing $10,000 to start. By following this specific split, you aren't just gambling on a hot tip. You're building a diversified wealth engine. Historically, this balanced approach minimizes your downside while capturing the massive upside of the total market. It's the difference between hoping you get lucky and knowing you have a system. If this blueprint gave you the clarity you needed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're breaking down the best passive income streams for 2026 in the next video. The link to the brokerage is below. Go put that $1,000 to work.